Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this UBeesize RGB handheld LED video light wand with 9 colors and 10 different special functions. This is the packaging and everything what we get, and we get also this instructions manual. I hope you can see that when it's focusing, so maybe this helps you to make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you lost your instructions. By the way, the model is the ST-10RGB, and here's also some information in the back, but it's pretty easy to use. It's rechargeable, and that's the reason why we get this USB-C cable. It comes also with this remote control, which you can use to control all the functions here with this small thing. Very convenient. Of course, we have to pull out this battery protection, but then we have all special functions, normal colors. We can increase and decrease the brightness or use these special predefined functions. Very convenient. We have this hand strap, and we get also this carry bag. Very convenient. Nice protection, good to transport if you want to use it in another location. The hand strap, by the way, we can mount here in the back. And that's not the only thing which we have here. We have a normal full-size 1/4 inch tripod mount, so we can use it directly with a tripod. You can see that here, very easy. But the whole set comes also with this ball head. That's a very convenient thing, because a lot of the tripods, they don't have this ball head, and this makes it much more easy to use, much more flexible. And here on top we have another standard tripod mount, and so you can see we can use it in almost every angle. Very convenient also to the side, and so it's strong enough so we can hold it to the side, as you can see, and there is where this RGB light is really shining. But this is the thing which I'm going to show you at the very end, but stay tuned, because it's very important to know what the big advantage of this RGB light is. So I'm going to show you all the functions now. Here we have the charging port, which is a little bit protected against water. That's really good. I mean, the whole thing is not waterproof, but we have some nice protection here. So here we have 3 buttons. It's very easy to use. We have to short press for about 1 second, and then it turns on. And then we have the different brightness. We can increase the brightness or we can decrease the brightness, as you can see, quite a lot. We can also hold the button steadily, so we don't have to press. You can see that's also very convenient. And then we have all these 9 different colors. That's very helpful to have these predefined colors. And for every color we can change the brightness up and down. Unfortunately, you cannot see the real light, because it's not possible to show this really nice light with such a camera, which I have, unfortunately. But you can imagine when we see it as an indirect light here shining just on the surface here, how the color is. They have a really nice color. They have a couple of different white color temperatures between 3000 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin, which usually meets most of the requirements of most of the photographers, but we also have a lot of different colors. And when we long press here for 3 seconds, then it goes into this special mode, and in this mode we have 10 different functions which we can just switch also with a short press. And from all the functions, with 1 second press we can turn it off, we can turn it on again, it goes into same function, and with 3 seconds it goes then in the other function, like here in the RGB where we have the different lights. So very easy to use. So this button has 3 different functions. We have the 1 second press to turn it on and off. We have the very short press where we can switch through all the colors, and then we have the long press where we can switch between the normal light mode and the special light modes. And now let's get to the main purpose of this video light. And so I'm comparing this to a normal video light. Here we have one video light, and you can see when we have just one small video light, it can produce quite some shade. You can see that here, and that's something which we don't like as a photographer, or also to shoot video. That's something which is not good. And now I'm going to use the UBeesize, and you can see no matter how bright we make this, there is absolutely no shade to see. There is nothing. I mean, if I would hold it like this, we would have normal effect. You can see the shade, but when you hold it like this, there's absolutely no shade. So this can help a lot to eliminate the shade only with one light. Huge advantage. So for me, absolutely works. And so I can highly recommend it. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.